Okay, the big picture problem was basically fighting indoor air pollution because people already have methods to cook their food. They know you need fire to cook the food. A lot of the times, people just have a fire inside their house and stick a pot right on top of it. That's what people are breathing in when they're in the house while that stove is being used. It sounds like a silent killer or something, like indoor air pollution. Like, you can't really see it. But the thing is you can see it. The walls are just covered in black. Ceilings are covered in black. That's the problem that we were fighting.
A double burner rocket stove is what I call a ecological wood burning stove.
It's based on the concept that an efficient fire doesn't give off any smoke. So even if there was no chimney, there would be no smoke inside the home.
It was just basically a rectangular box. It had 2 holes in the front, and it had a flat surface on top, so you could actually cook steaks and things like that on the stovetop surface, or you could take the lids off and you could put a pot on there and cook things.
It has 2 combustion chambers that are more efficient because it allows for oxygen to come up from underneath and allows the wood to burn extremely efficiently, which cuts down smoke by usually 60 to 80%.
Just took the smoke out of the home and not in their lungs.
In Nicaragua, there's a lot of deforestation problems. So one, it's really hard for women or children to find wood. They spend a lot of hours a day looking for wood. A solar cooker is basically an oven that cooks with the heat of the sun.
Wood box, it has lamb's wool inside of it, and it has a aluminum shell, and then there's a dual layer of glass that acts as a cover.
And there's usually some sort of a reflector that reflects more of the sun into the box. When you use solar energy to cook, you don't have to use any wood. And that's the biggest reason that you would use a solar cooker. So you don't have lung problems, you don't have to look for wood, and you don't further deforest Nicaragua.